Well, we talk a lot about fertilizers, and we have numbers, and we have NPK. So we're going to talk about how to read a bag of fertilizer, looking at those numbers and what that NPK means and what it means to your plants. So you'll notice on a bag of fertilizer, you'll find 3 numbers, and those 3 numbers are your NPK, meaning the nitrogen, the phosphorus, and the potassium. And so the numbers represent the percentage of that element in your fertilizer. So the higher the number, the higher the percentage. And a good way to remember what these numbers mean and how these elements react to the plants is by going up, down, and all around. The first number is nitrogen, which promotes the up part, the green growth and the greenery of the top part of the plant. The middle number, the phosphorus, is the low, the down, which promotes root growth. And the third number is the all around, which is potassium, and that promotes the overall plant health. And it's important to remember not to fertilize them during the heat of the day. We want to make sure that when we do fertilize, our plants are well watered, we apply our fertilizer, then we water them again to make sure we've washed all of that fertilizer off the foliage. You know, with any of the fertilizers that we choose or pick out, make sure you read the label for application rate. And remember, when we're picking out our fertilizer, up, down, all around, NPK. By applying a little bit of fertilizer, our plants will be healthy and strong.